There's one sign of the end that many are missing and that the modern church seems to have forgotten altogether. Jesus says, "And the good news about the kingdom will be preached throughout the whole world, so that all nations will hear it, and then the end will come." I'm hearing that there's this focus on what causes fear. There's the focus on the chaos. There's the focus on what looks like defeat. But Jesus says the end's not going to follow those signs. The end is not yet. For this gospel shall be preached to the ends of the earth, and then the end will come. Now, it's important that we believe that. Why is it important that we focus on this sign? Because when we focus on this sign, we are of the victory mindset, not the victim mindset. The sign of the end times is revival, not defeat. Victory, not retreat.